Hi and welcome to CTEK. I'm Tony Zeal, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to connect our CT5 Powersport battery charger and maintainer. But before I start, I'd like to say a big thank you for buying CTEK. So let's see the CTEK Powersport charger in action. And if you need to know more about CAN bus connectivity, please click on the link in the description below. Okay, one thing to remember, don't connect your charger to the power socket just yet. Always connect the charger to your battery first before you switch on the power. For this part of the video, we'll be connecting to a regular 12 volt lead acid battery using the battery's positive and negative terminals. But please remember, if you're connecting to the ground or earth to the vehicle, they must be connected to a suitable point on the vehicle's bodywork. Many powersport vehicles nowadays, such as jet skis, motorbikes, do have specific charging points. If that's the case with your vehicle, take a look at the vehicle's owner's manual, and that should show you the correct charging procedure for that particular vehicle. So let's get back to charging this battery. First, connect the clamps to the charger using the Comfort Connect system. Simply take the red clamp and clamp it to the red positive terminal on the battery. Then take the black clamp and clamp it to a suitable earth or ground point on the vehicle's body. In this case, we're using the battery's black negative terminal. Don't worry if you get this round the wrong way at first. The charger's got inbuilt reverse polarity protection, so your battery and your charger won't get damaged in any way. It's also spark free, so there's no risk of sparking if the leads accidentally touch together. Okay, now it's time to power up. So plug the charger into your mains power outlet, and when the charger's on, the green power LED will light up. You can now set the charger to match your type of battery using the mode button. The first time you switch it on, the charger will be in normal mode. This is indicated by the orange LED. This is the mode you need for a regular Powersport lead acid battery. Pressing the mode button continuously will cycle through the charger's different programs in this order. From normal, press again for reconned. This is a program that's been specially developed to restore and recondition your battery if it's out of condition, or even if it's dead. The final mode is lithium. This program's for lithium batteries commonly found in Powersport vehicles. One more press puts the charger back into normal mode. When you've set the correct mode for your battery, you're ready to go. You can just leave your charger connected to do its job safely. If you need to stop the charging process at any time, no problem. You can disconnect the charger without damaging the charger or your battery. So using the CT5 Powersport is as simple as that. Thanks for watching.